Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. If you are teaching class 9, then this is very important update for you. CBSE has officially announced offline capacity building program on Kaushal Vikas textbook. This training are completely free of cost. Now let's see in detail. So this is the official circular released by CBSE on 27 July 2026 with the subject Capacity Building Program on Kaushal Vikas textbook for teachers at multiple locations in face-to-face or offline mode. So here first training will be conducted on 1st August 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. at Pacific World School. It's in Greater Noida, West Uttar Pradesh. And if you want to participate in this, there is no registration form. You can directly contact Miss Shikha Bhola. Then you can contact on this mobile number or using this email ID. Second, on that same day, 1st August, another training will be conducted at this school, Shri Padmapat Singhania Education Center. It is in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. And you can directly call Ms. Bhavna Gupta on this mobile number or on this email ID. Next, it will be conducted on 4th August at DAV Public School, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. And if you want to participate, contact Monica Mahan on this mobile number or this email ID. Few more trainings we are having. Let's see other training. This circular was released by CBSE on 21st July, and here also few list of training are there. 25th training is already done. 1st August training will be at Bardhaman Model School, which is in Mirzapur, West Bengal. And if you want to participate, contact Bipin Bihari Singh on this mobile number or this email ID. Next training will be conducted on 8th August at Garden High School, Harigata Farm, West Bengal. And you can contact Miss Ratna Viswas on this mobile number or this email ID. So all this training are for teachers teaching Kaushal Vikas to class 9, and this training is totally free of cost, and even CBSE is not going to pay you TADA. Teacher can directly contact the venue school for participation. Participant must confirm their participation to venue school so that they can do all the arrangement before the training. And you must carry with you NCERT Kaushal Vikas textbook so that there will be effective discussion during the training. So if you are class 9th Kaushal Vikas teacher, do not miss this opportunity. Since the program is completely free of cost, you should contact the nearest venue school and confirm your participation as early as possible. If you found this update useful, please like the video, hype the video, share it with fellow teacher and subscribe to the channel for latest CBSE NCERT teacher training recruitment update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.